Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into VOO. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, December 7, 2023, but now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.23. Now let's examine how the stock has performed during this time. The stock has shown a gain of 5.4%. This means that on average, it has delivered a return of 0.23% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in a weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a good opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $422.93, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 4.15% change expected over the next 3 months. This means the ETF could have a return between -4.81% and 4.62%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 16% change over the next year. This could result in a return between 5.77% and 16.5%. In other words, the price range could be $445.30 to $490.46 after a year. Our latest daily update for VOO brings the headline, VOO ETF price up 0.75% on Thursday. The VOO ETF price increased by 0.75% on the last trading day, Thursday, December 7, 2023. It rose from $417.86 to $421.01. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.55%, reaching a low of $419.34 and a high of $421.66. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has been fluctuating, resulting in a 0.69% gain. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 943,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.36 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices could indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $422.37, while the lowest price was $344.34. Currently, the price is 0.32% or $1.36 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 4.59% or $20.25 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when the price reached $441.26. Today, I want to talk about the signals for the VOO ETF. Currently, there are mixed signals in the ETF. On Friday, December 1, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing the ETF to fall by -0.201%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, both short and long-term moving averages give buy signals for the VOO ETF, indicating a positive forecast. Furthermore, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, which is a general buy signal. In case of corrections down, there is support at $419.60 and $404.33. If the ETF breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. Despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning sign, so it's important to keep a close eye on the ETF. Moving on, let's talk about a significant event for the VOO ETF. On Monday, January 9, 2023, the ETF had a golden star signal in the long-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet in a rare combination. This combination often leads to long and strong gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is indicating a sell signal. The pivots have shown a sell signal 5 days ago. According to the Bollinger Bands, there was a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages has indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has shown a buy signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages has shown a buy signal 9 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO, an ETF, has an interesting support level at $412.23. This support level indicates a potential buying opportunity as it has shown to trigger an upwards reaction in the past. It's worth noting that VOO tends to have stable and controlled movements, making it a low-risk investment option. In fact, its liquidity is good, ensuring smooth trading. Let's talk about its recent volatility. In the last day, VOO had a price range of $2.32, which is equivalent to a 0.554% fluctuation. Over the past week, its average daily volatility has been around 0.740%, providing some insight into its price movements. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for VOO. If VOO experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $421.86. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this resistance level could be a valuable point to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if VOO encounters a downward trend, it will encounter its first support level at $412.23. Should this support level hold, it could present a great entry point, indicating a potential rebound in the stock's price. We recommend setting the stop loss at $407.60, representing a decrease of 3.18%. This particular ETF experiences minimal daily fluctuations, resulting in a lower level of risk. A sell signal was detected from a pivot top that occurred 4 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend for VOO ETF. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, when looking at the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, December 8th, we anticipate that VOO will open down at $0.341 and begin trading at $420.67. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. And don't forget to let us know what your target for the ETF is. If you enjoy this content, remember to like and subscribe. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.